Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video, and welcome to the fourth and final part of the Mcusta knife unboxing. Now, so far, we've unboxed 25 new knives, and if you haven't had a chance to check out parts 1, 2, and 3, I'll just link a few of the videos right up here. But right now, we have the final 9 here. So we have 5 knives in here, 4 on the table. Each of these is going to get its own review, and keeping in mind, I have no idea what Mcusta has sent me. So let's see what's in these boxes. Let's start off with the smaller boxes. Could be a keychain knife in here. Okay. Oh, and this looks like a money clip. Okay, there's a look at that. Oh, look, there's a... Hang on. Yeah. It's a money clip with a blade in it. Ooh, look at that beautiful Japanese mon on there. There's knife number 1. Small box number 2. Okay. Oh, yeah. This looks like the same type of deal. This one looks brushed aluminum, though, versus the polished. And there's a different mon on this one. Well, actually, no, they're about the same finish. And let's swing out that blade to have a look at that. Here's knife number 2. Knife number 3. Ah, this kind of looks like their katana line. Right, there's a look at the pocket clip. Beautiful color combination. Okay, let's see if I can flick that open. Oh, there's knife number 3. Going in for knife number 4. All right. Check out the milling on that. Wow, it carries over to the blade. Quick look at the pocket clip. I'm not going to try to flick that open. There we go. Whoa. All right. There is knife number 4. First knife into the box. Knife number 5. Oh, I see a white handle. Oh, yeah, look at that. Again, the milling. Look at that. Quick look at the pocket clip. Pretty sure that's a Damascus blade. There's your knife number 5. Knife number 6. Looks like a black handle. And wow, look at the way the grain runs on this one. Okay. There's the milling there, but wow, look at how it catches the light there. Quick look at the pocket clip. Beautiful black coloring. All right. It's a great looking knife. Knife number 7. Oh, we have a little flick hole here. Okay, same type of handle as the other knife. Have a look at the pocket clip. Same pocket clip. I'm just going to rotate this one around for you. Ooh, a little bit of a hammered finish on there. Beautiful knife number 7. Knife number 8. See a brown handle. Oh yeah, look at the grain pattern on that. Right. Absolutely solid. There is your knife number 8. Ninth and final knife of the whole entire unboxing series. I see some more brown handles in there. Oh, yeah. They've just got really nice wood grain pattern in these. Love that pocket clip. Right? This one has the flick hole, but I'll just rotate that around. And there is your last and final knife. What a beauty. Well, alright guys, there you go. 9 new knives and 9 new unboxings. Let me know in the comments which one of these 9 new knives is your favorite. And remember to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified when each of these individual knife reviews gets released. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.